In this video, I'll show you how to install Sodium in Minecraft. Let's get started. Open your web browser. Search for Sodium Minecraft. Open the official CurseForge website. Click Files. Under Game Version, select the Minecraft version you want to play. Under Mod Loaders, select Fabric. Click the download button next to the latest version. Wait for the download to finish. Open a new browser tab. Search for Fabric Installer. Open the official fabricmc.net website. Click Download. Choose Download for Windows. Wait for the download to finish. Open T-Launcher. Select the same Minecraft version. Make sure the vanilla version is selected. Then click Enter the game. Once Minecraft reaches the main menu, close Minecraft. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click the Fabric installer. Make sure the correct Minecraft version is selected. Click Install. Then click OK. Click the blue Fabric API link. Your browser will open the Fabric API page. Click Files. Under Game Version, select the same Minecraft version. Under Mod Loaders, select Fabric. Click the download button next to the latest version. Wait for the download to finish. Go back to the Fabric installer. Click the Mods button. Your Mods folder will open automatically. Go to your Downloads folder. Drag the Sodium file into the Mods folder. Then drag the Fabric API file into the same Mods folder. Close the folder. Open T-Launcher. Select the Fabric version you installed. Then click Enter the game. Once Minecraft opens, go to Options. Then Video Settings. If you see the new Sodium settings, Sodium has been installed successfully. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you need help with any Minecraft guide, leave a comment below. We'll make a video about it. Thanks for watching.